Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the quote which is as follows. The whole world steps aside for the man who knows where he is going. I repeat the quote once again. The whole world steps aside for the man who knows where he is going. I hope you all are good and doing well. So, on this planet Earth, each and every individual person is important. When you know your own importance, then everyone will recognize you. For example, if a king knows how to tackle and deal with the problems of his kingdom, he will definitely be respected by all the people in his kingdom. In this world, each and every person has to walk the pathway of his or her own life. Some people have it going in a smooth way. Some might face lot of difficulties, but who overcomes through the difficult phases of life only achieves something different from others. For example, when a person moves in the direction of his goal of life, he faces many difficulties, but he or she keeps on moving forward and forward, overcome all the hardships and become more wiser by their hard work and through their wisdom achieves the goal which they have set for their life. When they become a great leader, for example, then most of the people try to follow them and learn from them how to achieve the goal of life and achieve success in life. When the person was not a great leader, many people tried to make fun of him, always tried to disturb that person, but he was not at all bothered what others are saying. He was just focusing on himself and towards his goal and moving forward and forward. And finally, he became successful and became a great leader. The whole world steps aside for the man who knows where he is going. Now, all the people try to follow his pathway and wanted to become like him. They tried to learn from him how he became such a great leader and respected him. That great respect for the person is achieved through his hard work and constant focus towards his goal, which made him the most successful and satisfied person on this planet Earth. So, always you should follow your own passion and work upon it. Never be bothered what others are saying. Just be focused and you will definitely be successful in achieving your goal which you have set for your life, which will make you happy, and the people present around you will also become happy, which will ultimately lead to world unity, world peace, and development of humanity. And there will be happiness all around and in everyone's lives. Thank you.